Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous bob from Ayiyi hair. This wig is so cheap you won't even believe it. Stick around for more details about this unit.
Cherishing what you hold in, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine.
Today's hair sponsor is Ayiyi hair. It is definitely still a tongue twister for me. My second collab with them now, and I'm so impressed. I was impressed the first time, and I'm even more impressed with this wig, you guys. I have the 12-inch 4x4 closure wig. This is in the burgundy color. I believe the color code is 1B99J to be exact, but this wig is giving like red. It's borderline red. Not only is it perfect and full and soft and silky, it is cheap too. I went on their website and I looked at this wig. This is in 180% density, and the 12 inches is going for $99. It is on sale, you guys. This price and this hair, like what? Look how full this is. You cannot see space here. It is so full, you guys. I do want to turn around and show you guys what it looks like from the back. I'm obsessed with this wig. I did bleach my knots off camera before I installed this wig. I'm getting up close and personal so you guys can see the beauty of this unit. Let me know what you guys think of this unit and the price and the quality. And when you guys buy one, come back and let me know how you like it, because I know you're gonna love this wig. I'm gonna say it here and now. This wig is definitely Kaviar Kez approved. How could it not be? She is giving everything she needs to give and then some, sis. Like, come on. What I am saying is this wig is bomb.com and you guys need to check it out. I'm gonna leave all the information to Ayiyi hair in the description box. I'm gonna also put the previous review in the description box for you guys if you want to check out the other review that I did, but I'm gonna also put it up next, so just hang on and watch the next video. Stay a while, watch some videos, eat some Kit Kat bars, you know, live your best life. But don't forget to pick up this wig, you guys. It is on sale right now, and if there is a coupon code, I'm gonna leave that in the description box for you guys as well. I gotta run. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, a like, a comment. It really does go a long way. And in order to do more giveaways, I'm gonna need you guys to come through we're gonna need you to come through and be the MVP. I see a lot of you guys and I appreciate you, but when I'm doing new giveaways, I see a lot of new subscribers. You know, you guys kind of interact with me on those giveaways and then you kind of go stagnant. We need you to come through all the way, sis, if you want some wigs like this. So that's the rule. If we're gonna do more giveaways, we're gonna need the interaction to go up. You're gonna have to do that, and hopefully we can do a giveaway real soon. I'm gonna watch and see how we are doing with the interactions, and obviously be subscribed with your notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any future videos. I gotta run, guys. I said that before, but for real this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you soon in another one. Bye.